taifa wa masuala ya amani, ambapo ni nguli wa zamani wa riadha zile za marathon upande wa kinadada Tegla Lorupe ametoa mwito kwa shirikisho la riadha hapa nchini Kenya kuanzisha chama kile ambacho kitakuwa kinaangalia maslahi ya wanariadha, na amesema haya akisema kwamba itakuwa ni muhimu kufuatilia wale wanariadha wetu na wengine pia kushauriwa katika masuala tofauti ili wapate maendeleo baada ya kumaliza riadha zao.
When athletes are in a good form, they have to look for athlete association whereby they can take money instead of when these managers they give money to the federation. They should be having a certain percentage to put there for their welfare tomorrow. If anything happen to somebody, you have something to help them, and also to educate them. And for the athletes, they should also see that the running never stays forever. Whatever they earn, they should not misuse with the people outside. When you have money, you get many friends. And when you have problems, those friends disappear. I know from the experience. When I had injured my back in 1997 in New York. So completely, many people talk about negative about me. But as a Christian, I say, you know what, I have done a lot. And I believe in myself. And I know there are few people who are advising me. And those are good friends. And when I broke the world record 1 year later, 98, you realize even those who are already gone, they are even more closer to you. But you say, oh, you know what, I know you people, but you just play diplomatic. Yeah. And also, advice that I want to tell the athletes that they should not drink alcohol. They have to resist themselves from drinking alcohol. Yeah.
Lorupe yule alikuwa gwiji wakati wake, ni nguli wa riadha za masafa marefu marathon miaka 90. Ile alikuwa miongoni mwa wale wa Kenya wa kwanza kunyakua mashindano ya New York Marathon mara 2 mtawalia.